Not oppressing Mama Ngina Kenyatta. No. We are not oppressing Mama Ngina Kenyatta. The only thing that has happened is that we are hard pressed for manpower in the police service. You know, we have Maandamano and we needed personnel. So we have taken police officers from everyone. All police officers who are not actively engaged have been redeployed so as to go and make sure that there is people's businesses in Nairobi are guarded, people's children who are supposed to be going to school are safe, people's property, and people's lives, especially in the wake of the deaths and the goons and the crooks who are in the streets in the name of Maandamano. So we need a security. So hata kama wewe uko na polisi tutachukua wako tupeleke huko kwanza tuchunge hapo. Kwa hivyo mtu asiseme ati Mama Ngina amenyang'anywa polisi, hapana. It's just some redeployment of police of personnel that has been done. Okay. Asante kabisa.
Are we going to encounter a reinstatement of the same?
It is unlikely that the police officers will be taken back there because if we realize that they don't have much work that they've been doing, and you know, Mama Ngina is safe.
But she is entitled to be guarded by police officers.
She's safe. She's safe. We are also entitled to guard our property, and we are also entitled to do business in this country. We are entitled to use roads on a day like today, but we can't because her and her son have decided that we shall not enjoy our liberties in this country. So when you come to equity, you must come. When you seek equity, you must do equity. And when you come to the table of equity, you must come with clean hands. That is a writ of law, and that must be followed. You cannot do evil and expect equity in return. No, that shall not happen. Tell your son to stop misbehaving and to stop funding Maandamano, and then we shall have the conversation that your friends here are trying to have on your behalf.